make two different kinds of slimes, fluffy slime and regular slime. I'm gonna do this craft with my sister Maddie. Okay, here we go. So first you're gonna need this white Elmer's school glue and just pour in however big a batch you want. If you put in a lot of stuff, the batch will get a little bit bigger, but if you don't put as much stuff, it won't get much bigger. After you put that in, I'm gonna show you how to make just the regular slime first. So I'm gonna put in this color Key West of Apple Barrel paint. You can use paint, you can use anything.
And I'm gonna use this yellow flame, paint.
And we're just gonna use our hands to mix this. I don't know why, but
You can use other things. You can use plastic spoons, forks, knives. Those have to be plastic.
Yeah,
It can be anything, really.
I'm gonna add this Ocean Breeze scent in. You don't have to add scent or paint, and you don't have to add this either, but I'm just adding a little bit of lotion. Now, it can be super cheap lotion, like I got this huge thing at Walmart for only like $2. So it can be cheap, or it can be more on the expensive side. I don't care. It doesn't make any difference at all. But after you do that, you can just add like a pinch, 2 pinches of baking soda, and then you need to mix it. And it should not be coming together yet, but you have to add one more ingredient for it to come together. And you might want to add like a little bit more baking soda too. Okay, after you have all that mixed in, you need to add this contact solution.
Or you can use something else, because other videos usually have like
borax, which is half a teaspoon of borax mixed with 1 cup of water, I'm pretty sure. And there's lots of other things you can use too, but this is just one that we like to use. And as you put it in, you'll see it start to come together. And you just have to keep adding a little bit at a time, because if you over-activate it, it will become, if you let it sit, it will become rubbery and just won't stretch, and it just won't be very nice. So you don't want to add too much, but just add a little bit at a time until it starts to come together and kind of like peel off the bowl. And it might be a little sticky, but it's just better if you just take it out a little bit early. But it's super cool and super cool. It's really fun to play with once you get it all non-sticky and stuff.
gooey.
Yeah. But just if it's still super sticky, just add a little bit more and that should fix the problem. And if you have a problem of it sticking to your hands, that's pretty normal. But
I made a tiny batch. I have no clue why. I just like tiny batches or something.
but if you have a problem sticking it to your hands, then what I think is really easy, just try to like throw the little ball from one hand to another, and it should start to come off.
And you can start kneading it, which will make it like mix together.
A little bit more mixed together and more slime-like. And yeah, that's how you make just plain slime.
Okay.
Can't wait to show you how to do the next one. So mine is coming together good.
I don't want to stick my hands in here, because if I need to add more activator.
Oh my goodness, it's so fluffy. I love it.
I can't even get it to come together.
But you can't really tell. It looks almost white, but
She put a tiny bit of blue in it because she doesn't like really dark blue, I don't think.
I do. I just didn't know it would show up. But it's so fluffy and so good.
Oh, it's so sticky.
We'll get back to you when we're done
Baking.
kneading it.
Mine is the best poker.
No, mine is so the best.
She put way too much shaving cream and then she put too much cornstarch. And now her is the biggest, ugliest, stickiest.
It is not
Weirdest.
ugly. It feels so good and it's so fluffy. It's just really sticky.
Hear this. Can you hear this?
That sounds so cool.
I bet you care. I hope you can because it sounds so cool.
Oh my goodness, I can feel the cornstarch.
Welcome.
We finally finished our plant. We finished our plant slimes a while ago. But this is the contest. Let's see
Okay.
who can.
Mine is so stretchy.
Let's see who can make a bigger bubble.
Oh wait, I'm not ready. Just so you know, first
That
before
was
you make
tiny.
a bubble, you stretch it, you stretch it, you stretch it, you stretch
You
it.
just stretch.
And then you make a pretty, pretty,
You just make a
swirl. I'm horrible at making
And you
swirls.
should
Poke
poke. And then just grab the end.
That's horrible. Yeah, it's not the best. bubble.
So I totally won for that bubble contest.
You can comment down below who you think won this video.
Yep, won this contest. We have another
This
one.
contest.
So our fluffy slime contest.
I seriously think I actually might mix these two. I like really want.
Mine's like way fluffy.
I feel like my heart's.
Let's see if
begging
these.
me
Let's
to
see if these
mix
can
up.
make a bubble. Let's see if these can make a bubble.
Oh yeah. No, I don't know. Yeah.
This one doesn't coat too good because it's fluffy slime.
Mine has the best coat.
Okay, this makes a really weird bubble.
Yeah,
Like a
she's
really
so
weird
weird.
bubble. You make a bubble.
I'm gonna mix these two together, okay? I hope this is a
Don't.
good decision. Should I?
Don't!
I don't want to waste my containers. I only have 5 containers.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to buy our slime, you look down in the comments below and I'm going to drop my slime on the floor. And in my last video, I made these super cute little white flowers, so you should go check that video out. And
I'm not in that one.
she'll be in a few of the videos.
I hope that you give this video a big thumbs up.
Come watch us again. Bye!